Organising with kids can seem chaotic, but don't worry, I'm here to give you some great practical tips to organise with your kids. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on practical tips to organise your life. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years, and I'm here today to help you organise with your kids. Organise with. So many of our clients tell us that they never learn to let go of things because they would come home and mom would have already tidied up and thrown things away. Not to knock mum's hard work, but I recommend that parents organise alongside their children. Keeping an organised home is a learned skill, and if you're always cleaning up after your children go to bed or school, it's my opinion that you're actually doing them a disservice. The best way to build a habit is to start early and go little by little. If tidying up as they go is part of your child's life from the beginning, it's a habit that will stick with them. Kids love to help, so let them help. It helps to create a schedule for your family. This can be as formal as a daily chore chart or as casual as a reminder on the calendar every 6 months to go through everyone's belongings. Purging items regularly and predictably solidifies the habit. One of the benefits of organising as a family is that you can see what the kids do and don't want to keep. You can keep mementos that they might otherwise throw away. A crayon drawing might not be the most important to your child, but you may want to save it for yourself. Limit the amount of mementos you keep based on the space you have available. Don't forget you can keep digital mementos, which keep the memories but lose the clutter. Organising is a learned skill. It's never too late to learn, nor too early to learn. Have a plan, patience and persistence, and you will see results over the years. Organising is not one and done, it's a lifelong process. Enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Organise to Excel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website www.organisetoexcel.com.